of Japanese culture more deeply.
The Delimitation Committee constituted by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council will start holding the public hearing from November 21st. The 6-member committee is headed by former Khadc ADC Judge Dr. Starwell Khadc. As per the terms of the reference, the committee will conduct public hearing at designated places to collect the views and opinions of the people of the constituencies. Speaking to reporters here on Friday, Chairman of the committee informed that they will be holding the public hearing for the 2 constituencies, Maukarwat and Langrin, of Southwest Khasi Hills on November 21st at the council office in Maukarwat.
Fi nomor ba katkum kajing perkhat na kaleng juga District Council kolong nomor kidan ki paipa ki balawan ban ai ki representation baki kwa no ban penhap na koi ka constituency sya koi pat te de halor yang kata misa na kaleng jong ka executive committee ki sa form me kan ke delimitation committee hadim bakila yo ka approval lo governor ban le ya kan ka banta te de nomor baki dan ki representation.
Scrub typhus infection has claimed the lives of 2 people.